perhaps you can recognize the historic Arizona Trail 17, which was first conquered, if conquered is really too strong of a word, but let's use it anyway. The hiking portion, of course, on March 4th, there, south to north. Of course, the fastest non-sequential supported hiking, paramotoring, south to north on record. And so today we're at 740 meters and we can climb to that top of thing on that trail and get a peek of what it's like from up there. Birds say go. Oh yeah. Interesting thing, the Arizona trails down there where the hikers and bikers and horses are. And I guess the paramotorists land up there maybe because I guess where it's flat. Arizona Passage 17 has no really good landing areas. There's none to speak of. You don't want to crash land on that place. But I've been hearing some noise, engine noise. Maybe some people might think it'd be highway noises, but it kind of sounds like paramotorists up there. We got in the sun at 9:04. Got to the top of this thing around 9:30. It was 32 degrees. Ice had melted, it's still cold. But hey, that line down there right above the toes is Arizona Trail Passage 17. This is how it feels and sounds like. You turn off your motor at 1,330 meters approximately.